Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today we are going to discuss about pneumatic counter application using counter in pneumatics fluid simulation software. Let us open our software. Here there is an let us open a new window. Okay, like to making an counter application, we needed to make an circuit which flows continuously. So firstly insert a text. Firstly, let us insert a text and place it as counter. Okay, label it as counter. Counter for 10 clamps. Counter for 10 clamps. For this, we needed a double acting cylinder and a 5 by 2 wall for forward and backward movement controlling of double acting cylinder, and we would be making this both sides pilot operated. And for this forward and backward movement, we would be taking an 3 by 2 which is activated with roller limit switches and spring returns. We needed these in two numbers. Okay, first A minus, which indicates backward, A plus, which indicates forward. The same way we would be giving A plus for forward at maximum stroke length, which is 100, and A minus at backward at minimum stroke length, which is 0. Now we can see our component has got activated, and we would be giving air compressor supply for our components. Okay, now let us make this circuit flow continuously. Initially, when we start the simulation, here we can find from this A minus roller limit switch, air is flowing continuously output. So what we do is we take this and connect to the forward of cylinder. When we do this, the cylinder has moved forward automatically with the help of this air, and we are getting air from this direction. So what we do, we connect this and give at the opposite pilot, backward pilot. Now when we start the simulation, the cylinder starts to move forward and backward rapidly. Let us see the simulation by in slow motion factor. Here we can see cylinder is moving forward and backward continuously. Now this one, in this application we need to make counts, and this one needs to be controlled by using our own mechanism. Here in this case we doesn't have any control mechanism, so what we do is we just remove the air supply at here. We remove the air supply. There is no air supply, as this works completely with pneumatic system. There is no air supply, so this stop moving until and unless we give air here. Okay, until and unless we give air here, this doesn't start working. Now what we do is we take an extra cascade. We take an extra cascade and make it both sides pilot operated, and we give an compressor to this, and from this output port, one second, from this we would be connecting to pressure port, and when I activate at this position, the cylinder starts to move forward and backward. When I activate at this position, the cylinder stops. So by using these both pilots, we would be controlling this. Okay, and for this we needed an counter, so let us take a counter. Let us take an counter. We needed a pneumatic counter. I have taken an counter. Okay, and we needed a push button to start, so I am taking the same roller limit and modifying it with push button, just removing the roller and place and push button and giving air supply. Okay, and I am increasing the count to some 10. When I press the push button, air would be coming from this side. So what I do, I take this air and connect at this pilot. In this way, I started the forward and backward activation of the cylinder by using a push button. Okay, now I need to start count. For starting count, we would be taking this. I connect at this position, and after completing 10 counts, this would be stopping. To here comes the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, and 10th. After 10 counts, we can see this has got attached. So what we do is we take an air supply here also, and from here it need to stop. So we would be connecting at this position. Here we can see it moves forward and backward. Let us speed up the simulation. After 10 it has stopped, and now we need to reset. Here we are having a manual reset button, but we would be using this air to reset our counter. 20. 10 counts has completed. Now it has got stopped. In this way we would be doing. Okay, okay guys, that's it for today.